Hi viewers, welcome back to our journey of learning SQL. So in previous video we have discussed about data query language and then remaining 4 statements in data query language, that is select, projection, selection. Joins are also there, but it is a lengthy topic we will discuss in another session. So for now, in previous video I have discussed about alias, but I didn't show any example. Just we will see one example for alias and then we will come to data definition language. So to clear the screen, cl space scr, enter. Now it is cleared. Now let us see. Select sal as salary. Please check the spellings because even spelling mistake it won't show output. Hide it as. So alias, as we all know, just a small revision regarding alias. Alias is a name which is given to display in the result table. It is a type of alternative name. So with the as keyword we are going to give this alias name and it should be enclosed in double quotes. Date of, why I am saying this double quotes is if alias name is a single string, we need not to give in double quotes, but it is multiple combination of multiple strings, then we have to use quotes, double quotes. See, here it is showing salary and date of joining. Select star from emp. If we see here, actually the column name is sal and hire date. Column name of date of joining is hire date in original database. With alias, I am printing that as salary and date of joining. Okay, that is the use of alias, salary and date of joining. Just viewing of a query and we can catch any issues, just like nickname. Very small topic, alias. So that is one example. With as keyword we are going to execute this. So coming to data definition language, so it is also whole in statements that all in statements topic, all the topics are very important because it plays a crucial role. Coming to data definition language, just it is a statement which is used to create, rename, alter or delete an object in the database. Here also we have sub statements like create, rename, alter, truncate and drop. Okay, first we will discuss one by one. Coming to create, the syntax is create table, table name. Create is used to create a database or create not database, create table in the database. So this statement is used to create an object in the database. So example, I will show one example how to create a table. Before that, just we will go through syntax once and then I will show one example how to create a table in SQL Plus. Okay, syntax create table, table name, open parenthesis and column name. So if we take now for this shall we take product, table name product, and in product table we have multiple columns, that is product ID, data type is number data type because column ID it should be numbers, so data type is number data type. If you don't know about data types, please refer previous videos. We have explained detailedly in the data types and constraints in previous videos. We will mention data type and constraints. These are optional. Let us give no issues. Okay, next column 2. I will give product name, like column 3 price, discount, like that. Whatever the attributes or columns in fields, whatever I need, I will mention all those things. And then I will give one constraint reference name, that nothing but primary key. Okay, to different columns we can give. For our example, let us try one for better understanding and then we will close it. Okay, so again, for foreign keys, primary keys are all discussed in the previous videos. Please go through that if you don't know, otherwise please continue. So this is about create. and next one is rename. So in our example, as I said, our table name is product. So to rename that product as one more anything like coconut, I want to change my table name like product to coconut. So rename current table name product to coconut. That's it. Semicolon. It will change. We will see this example also. Like that, we can change in n number of tables. For n number of tables, we can change the table names and we can do any operations. That is no issues. And next one is alter. So this statement is used to modify the objects in the database. So one database is there, so we have to do some changes in the database. So what are the changes? I need to add a column in the, now previously recently we have created product table. So I need to add one more column in the table. So for that, we have to use this syntax: alter table name. So table name is product. Any name or employee, any name. Just example, as example, we are taking product. So alter table name. Add column name. So what is the column name we are going to add? That is column name. And what is the data type? If it is price, we have to give number. If it is another product, we have to give that different and all those things. So where 2 and date, like that. Based on our column name, we are going to add data type and constraints. So to drop a column, so I don't want this column in our table. So to remove that column, we are going to give alter table name, drop column name. Very simple. How we are adding that column? Alter table name. Here also alter table name. To add a column, add column name with data type. Same to drop column name. And one more thing is to change the data type. Alter table name. This is common for all operations. If you observe, all operations alter table name is column. So the main thing is we want to add or delete or to change data type. That is the main thing we have to remember. So like that, to modify column name, modify column name. So to which column we want to change the data type. So new data type. That's it. Like that, n number of operations to modify constraints, alter table name, add constraint reference name, unique. So like that. Just these are very simple things. This is about alter, rename, and create. So in data definition language, totally we have 5 substatements. That is create, rename, alter, and one more thing is truncate and drop. So truncate is nothing but truncate table name. So the truncate is used to delete all the records from the table permanently. So if suppose just now I have created product table. So truncate table product. If I give, only the attributes will be present. Attributes or columns or fields, those are nothing but price, product name, date of manufacturing, and one more thing is anything, just whatever we have mentioned while creating, only those will be left, and remaining all data, all the records will be deleted. Only the structure of the table will be present, remaining all will be deleted when we use truncate. So if we use drop, whole table will be dropped. Okay, drop, this statement is used to delete the object, that is table. Object is nothing but table from database along with table structure. If we use truncate, it will delete only the records. But if we use drop, it will delete whole object. Okay. Once deleted, we can't retrieve. So drop the if we use drop with only one chance, we can get but back. If we use delete, it will delete permanently. So the syntax of drop is drop table name To recover the table only in Oracle we can recover. The syntax is flashback table table name. So suppose for example I deleted product table. I need to get back flashback table table name to before drop. It will get the table. So while I am getting the table, I need to change the name of the table to something lion. So flashback table table name, that is product to before drop, rename to lion. So when it is recovering, it will give the table name as lion. That is the advantage here. And to drop the table from the recycle bin, so purge table table name. Okay, then we can't get recovered if we use purge table table name. So once you use drop table table name, it will delete from the database, but it will be stored in the recycle bin as same as the in our PCs. When we delete all any file, it will be stored in the recycle bin, right? So in the same way, in database also, if we delete, it will be stored in recycle bin. So once you want to delete in from recycle bin also, you have to use purge table table name. Okay, now let us see some examples regarding this: create, rename, alter, and truncate and drop. Okay, so first we have discussed about create, right? So let us see how to create one table. So do we know how many tables that are present in our database? Let us see. For that, select star from tab. See, these are the tables which are we have: department, employee, bonus, salary grade. Now we will create one more table, that is nothing but product in our database. Okay, so now we are discussing about data definition language, that is create, rename, alter, truncate, drop. In previous video we have discussed about data query language, that is select, projection, selection, and joins, but joins will be discussed in afterwards. So those who have not watched that video, so please watch that. Okay, so now let us create one product table. So for that syntax is very important, guys. So create table table name table. So table name is product, product. Enter, open parentheses, enter. Generally we can create in a single line. Here only I can create, but you may get confused. So to clear that confusion, I am creating in another line. So first column name is, or attribute is, product ID. Okay, so next data type, num var product ID, number data type I am using. So number have two types, precision and scale. For now I am using only precision, and constraint is not null because it should be compulsory. Product ID is compulsory. So comma, enter. Next, product name space varchar. It is string, right? Varchar. Product name is very small one, so that's why I am using only varchar. Otherwise we can give varchar too, no problem. So it is also compulsory, not null. Next, price. So for price, anyone can guess what is the data type? Same, number. So it will having digits, right? That is 100.00 paisa, like that. So that's why we have to use scale here, 6 comma 2. Based on range of our products, we can give 10 comma 2, anything, no issues, not null. Okay, enter. Next, discount NUMBR. Discount is also from price comma precision comma scale, so that's why we are using this. So here not null, right? If you see here, we need not give not null here because discount for some products discount may be there or may not be there, so that's why I don't give discount. And last one is constant we are taking. So constraint product ID. For product ID, I am assigning primary key because it is the combination of unique and not null. So that is the reason why I am assigning primary key. pk space primary key, that is in brackets product ID. Okay, enter. Now close the parentheses and then semicolon. Number 4 not null. Oh sorry, same, this is everything is correct. The small mistake what we have done is we should not, it is getting error. So let us try now once again. So what we have done mistake is here we have not given the space previously. Okay, so please give space in between not null. Then we will try, we will add one more column attribute, that is product name pname comma var cha varchar of 30 not null comma. See, constraint for product ID I am assigning primary key. So what this indicates is to inform that we are assigning primary key to product ID. Okay, just we are assigning product key. So to which column we are assigning product key, that we are mentioning here, product ID. Okay, so I have written this in notepad so that it will be easy to correct any mistakes. Okay, now just let's simply we can copy that slash enter. Okay, just control V. Okay, now we got our code here, just semicolon and enter. See, table created, very simple. Create table, table name, these are all our columns, product ID, p name, price, discount, these are all data types, these are all constants. Now last one is primary. Okay, very clear. Now let us see, here it is showing table created. Now how to check? So this is previously present tables, these are all present tables. Now let us see how many tables here they have present. See, product, here it is showing, right? So that is how we can create product. Now let us change that name of that product. This is the first one, create. Next one is rename. So how to rename that product as product, new product? So our table name is product. Now I will change that product as new product. How to change? Let us see. That is rename. Rename product. Rename current table name to new table name. Rename product product to new product. SQL not properly ended. Okay, okay. Here we should not give space, I think. Select, no, not select. Rename product current table name to new table name, that is new CT. See, table renamed. How to check? It is here, it is showing renamed. Now how to check? Again same, select star from tab. Okay, see, previously we have only product here. After performing that rename statement, it is changed to new product. So this is about create and rename. So next we will see about alter. So up to now we have seen how to create a table and how to rename that table name to new table name. So one more thing we have to check is what are the data types, what are the constraints which are present in our table. So how to check those two conditions? Now let us see with one more query. One second. Okay, so what are the columns present and what are the data types present? For that we have to check, we have to run that query description of new PRODUCT new product. See, this is the query which we need to run to know what are the columns and what are the data types and constraints of a particular table. So now we will perform 2 or 3 queries regarding to alter. In alter we can add a column, drop a column, change the data type, and change not null constraint and rename, and we can modify many things we can do. Just we will perform whatever how many we can here. So later we will move to truncate. Okay, now we will add one more column. Which column we can add? So product ID, product name, and price and discount. Date of manufacturing. Okay, date of manufacturing, or let us add one more thing, that is nothing but product company. Okay, let us add one column, so that is called product company. P company, let us add some X column. Okay, so for that alter table name, so new PRODUCT. Okay, alter table name we have given, enter. Next, add column name. We have to add column, right? That is product company. Just we are adding one column, that is called product company. That is the column which we are going to add, and for that data type is anyway varchar. Okay, so varchar. Now we should have found out one mistake, not mistake, one logic here. So what is that is, I will tell. Varchar of 30 close null or not null space not null. Okay, table altered successfully. Now let us check. To check that description of new PRODUCT. See, previously we have for a PID, PName, price, discount. Now we have PID, PName, price, discount on product company. Okay, not null varchar 2. So if you see, when I am assigning, always I am assigning varchar, but when we check, it is showing that varchar 2. Okay, we need not to worry. It is automatically updated to varchar 2. Okay, we need not to worry about that. Okay, now I want to change the data type of varchar 2 to for product name I will give varchar 2 to char. Let us see how to do that. For that, again alter table name, that is new PRODUCT new product. Okay, again I want to change the data type of PName. Okay, for product name I have data type of varchar 2. Now I will change to char. Okay, so how to do that? So for that, modify. Okay, modify column name. Which column name? PNAME, PName. Okay, PName new data type CHAR, char of 30. Okay, space not null. Oh, no need, we want to change only data type, right? Table altered. Now let us see. So previously we have varchar 2, here varchar 2. Now let us check again, same description of new PRODUCT new product. Okay, see, char of 30. Got it? So like that we can do n number of things. We can add, we can drop a column. So now we will drop this product company column. So how to do that? Alter table name new PRODUCT. Okay, new product. So what we need to do, I want to delete this column which is product company. So I want to delete this one. So for that, drop column name is nothing but Yahoo product company. Okay, let us see. Yeah, table altered. Now again, description GSC new product. Okay, see, if you see here, product company is deleted. Got it? One, let's try last one and then we will move to truncate. Okay, now I want to change this price to amount. So how to do that? Okay, so I want to rename that column name. So for that, alter table name, that is new product. Okay, enter. I want to rename. So rename column column, current name is price. Okay, to amount. Table altered. One of the advantages here is when we are perform these operations, we can't the cursor won't work. So if we want to change to, the cursor won't work here. So we need to backspace. We need to give backspace for all the thing and then we have to type. So that's why be careful while we are trying. So now rename. We have renamed that price to amount. Let us check. DSC space new product. See, price here, price. Okay, here amount. So almost we have performed 5 operations, I think, here. This is the description. We have added one column, that is product company. How we added? Alter table name, add column name, and again for that column we have to give data type. So to drop column name, it is dropped. To change price to amount, so rename column name to price. So like that we can perform alter statement. So next one is truncate. So as I said, truncate is used to delete all the records. Okay, truncate is used to delete all the records from the table. Just the structure will be present. For now we have not entered any values here, right? Just we have created table structure. So after inserting the values into it, I will show the truncate, how to perform truncate. Okay, and drop also very simple. If I select drop table name is nothing but new product, new product. Once if I enter, it will be dropped. Let us see, table dropped. Okay, so I want to get that. Here there are 3 types dropbacks. So drop table name, it will be dropped. Okay, I want to get that back. It will be present in recycle bin. How we know that it will be present in the recycle bin? Okay, let us see. I will show. Select star from, see, employee table, bonus, salary grade, customer. Here it should be new product, but it is showing all those values. So that means the table is deleted, but it is present in the recycle bin. Okay, we can get that back. So by using flashback table name. So new product, flashback table name. Okay, to before to before drop. Okay, enter. So if you want to change that new product to some other name, just you remove this space, enter. Here you can type rename to new name. Okay, just now we need not to change. Let us close this, enter. Flashback complete. Now again we will check. Select star from tab. See, new product, it is black. That's it. When it is showing like this by all values, if we perform, instead of flashback, if we perform purge, 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 table, table, new, product, if I click enter, the table will be deleted from recycle bin also. Now I don't want to do that. Okay, so I think all the statements I have covered regarding to data definition language. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. So in next video we will discuss about data manipulation language. Thank you.